Good morning. It's been a little while since I've come to you guys with a new video. So we're in a crawl space over here in Augusta, Georgia. And first thing I see, obviously, is moisture, wet ground. But then there's a lot of roaches. Oh my goodness. So wet crawl spaces make a great habitat for giant roaches. So just thought I'd let you see all that. But this crawl space definitely needs some TLC from Crawl Space Medic, Augusta. As you can tell, just everything's wet. You can tell there's water coming in the foundation walls. It does have a barrier, but it needs a little more than that. So, yeah, I'm back at it, doing some videos, doing some inspections. So just wanted to show everybody what I'm looking at today. And yeah, gonna have a little roach party down here. But y'all take care and we'll see you around.